Because we find it admirable and are using these ideas in how we run our own law firm, I'm about to read an excerpt from Ray Dalio's book, Principles. Imagine that in order to have a great life, you have to cross a dangerous jungle. You can stay safe where you are and have an ordinary life, or you can risk crossing the jungle to have a terrific life. How would you approach that choice? Take a moment to think about it, because it is the sort of choice that, in one form or another, we all have to make. Even after my crash, I knew I had to go after the terrific life with all its risks. So the question was how to cross the dangerous jungle without getting killed. In retrospect, my crash was one of the best things that ever happened to me because it gave me the humility I needed to balance my aggressiveness. I learned a great fear of being wrong that shifted my mindset from thinking I'm right to asking myself, how do I know I'm right? And I saw clearly that the best way to answer this question is by finding other independent thinkers who are on the same mission as me and who see things differently from me. By engaging them in thoughtful disagreement, I'd be able to understand their reasoning and have them stress test mine. That way, we can all raise our probability of being right. In other words, I just want to be right. I don't care if the right answer comes from me. So I learned to be radically open-minded to allow others to point out what I might be missing. I saw that the only way I could succeed would be to 1. Seek out the smartest people who disagreed with me so I could try to understand their reasoning. 2. Know when not to have an opinion. 3. Develop, test, and systematize timeless and universal principles. 4. Balance risks in ways that keep the big upside while reducing the downside. Doing these things significantly improved my returns relative to my risks, and the same principles apply in other aspects of life. Most importantly, this experience led me to build Bridgewater as an idea meritocracy, not an autocracy in which I lead and others follow, and not a democracy in which everyone's vote is equal, but a meritocracy that encourages thoughtful disagreements and explores and weighs people's opinions in proportion to their merits.